Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to connect your Windows 11 laptop screen to the multiple display. Okay, before we can do that, now let's check on your laptop connection. For example, in this laptop I got HDMI connection and two of the Type-C connection. Okay, so this laptop, it have the two display output, so it can extend the display to two of the monitor. Okay, now I already connect the HDMI cable to the TV and the monitor, and now we gonna connect it one by one. And let's see on the monitor first. And you now see the monitor display, and on the Type-C connection I need to convert it to the HDMI using adapter. And connect it to the TV. Okay, now we change the TV display to HDMI connection. Okay, so now we check on the display setting, and you now will see the display. We got the display number 1, number 2 and number 3. Okay, so now let's identify it. So you will see that number 1 is your laptop screen, number 2 is the TV screen, and number 3 is the monitor. Okay, so now I want the number 3 to the left and number 2 in the middle. And apply it. So that means when I move this display to the left, you will see the manual is going to the display of the number 2, and then I will scroll it to the number 3. You will see the manual is going to the number 3 display. Okay, I hope you got this point. This means the extend the screen, so all the screen you can use in the different way. For example, this one, I turn on the Explorer, and the second screen, I want to display this manual. And for the third screen, I want to display the Excel file. So each of the screen can display different file. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of the Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video, and now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.